Don't download Wrike Enterprise Marketing Operations Hub app before watching this. Before you download Wrike Enterprise Marketing Operations Hub, here's the reality: it's not just a task manager. At the enterprise level, Wrike offers marketing project management, workflow automation, and real-time reporting, but most teams fail by skipping proper setup. Step 1. Define marketing operations goals. Decide whether the focus is on campaign execution, resource allocation, or performance tracking. Most people get this wrong by using generic templates, causing inefficiency. Step 2. Configure workflows and approvals. Set up task dependencies, review processes, and automated alerts. The surprising truth is, misconfigured workflows create bottlenecks and delays. Step 3. Integrate with Scrum, analytics, and collaboration tools. Without integration, reporting is incomplete and insights are fragmented. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Track campaign progress, resource utilization, and team productivity. Teams that ignore metrics fail to improve operations and ROI. The upside: proper Wrike enterprise use can increase campaign efficiency by up to 30%, improve team collaboration, and provide actionable insights in real time. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team defines goals, sets workflows properly, integrates tools, and actively tracks performance. For smaller teams, standard Wrike plans may be enough. Subscribe for actionable guidance on mastering enterprise marketing operations.